Hello friends, welcome to virtual math class, and today we're going to practice generating a set that shows greater than, less than, or equal to a given set of objects. The cub. The cub lets us know what we're going to be learning about. So students will know about comparative language. Students will understand that you must have at least two sets to compare objects. Students will be able to generate a set that represents a number that is more than, less than, or equal to a given set of objects. Vocabulary. So our first vocabulary word is compare. Can you say compare? And compare means to describe objects using words like more, less, or the same. Okay? Now some other words that we can use to compare are here. We're going to discuss those as well. Okay? So remember, comparing, we compared the blue M&Ms and the red M&Ms, and we said the red M&Ms are greater or more than the blue M&Ms. Our next vocabulary word is greater than. Can you say greater than? And greater than means more. Okay, so greater than means what? More. And if you notice, they circled the set of objects that has more. So when we use this vocabulary term or comparative language greater than, we would say the orange flowers are greater than the blue flowers. Okay. Now we have equal to. Can you say equal to? And equal to means the same as or the same. Okay. If you notice, there are 3 red flowers and 3 yellow flowers. So if we use this comparative language, we would say the red flowers are equal to the yellow flowers. And then we have less than. Can you say less than? Good. And less than means not as much or not more. Okay. And if you notice, they circled a picture of the orange flowers because it's not as much as the blue flowers. So when we use this comparative language, we would say the orange flowers are less than the blue flowers. All right, so a quick review. So I know you remember seeing these pictures and we were comparing objects. So we're going to do that again just very, very quickly. Okay. So example of the comparative language greater than. Remember, Ms. Blanks had 3 apples and 2 bananas, and we had to compare and find out, well, which set was greater. And we said the apples were greater than the bananas because why? Because there were more apples. Good. Okay. All right, let's look at our pizza and our tacos. So remember, Ms. Blanks ordered 2 slices of pizza and 1 taco, which shows less than. Okay. And we said the taco showed less than because it's not as much or not more. So we would say the taco is less than the pizza. Good. And last but not least, we talked about equal to. Okay. And remember, equal to means the same. So Ms. Blanks had cheeseburgers and she wanted to make the fries equal to the cheeseburgers. So what she had to do was she had to make the objects the same. They had to have the same amount. And if you notice, there are 4 cheeseburgers and I matched them up with 4 French fries. Okay. And if you notice, the numbers are the same. So we would say, using the objects, the cheeseburgers are equal to the French fries. Why? Yes, because they're the same. They have the same amount. Good. All right, now let's practice generating sets using comparative language. Now, I just want to review the comparative language one more time, okay? So, less than means not as much or not more, and that will be on a red card. Greater than means what? Means more. Good. And that will be on a green card. And then equal to means the what? The same, and that will be on a yellow card, okay? All right. All right, let's generate a set that is greater than the set of diamonds, okay? So if we look here, how many diamonds do we have? 9. We have 9, okay? Now over here, we have to make a set of objects that's greater than 9, okay? So Ms. Blakes is going to show you how to do that, okay? So I'm going to use red counters to generate a set or make a set that is greater than the set of diamonds, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now is 6 greater than the set of diamonds or 9? No, okay, because greater means more. So I have to create more counters than diamonds. So right now I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have 10 counters and I have 9 diamonds. Okay, so what I can say is the set of counters are greater than the set of diamonds. Okay, can you say that with me? The set of counters are greater than the set of diamonds. Okay, and they're greater than the set of diamonds. How I know that is because there are more counters than diamonds, and I know greater means more. Okay, let's go to the next one. All right, so let's do this one together. It says, generate a set of objects that is less than the set of rockets. Okay, so these are the rockets. So how many rockets are there? 10. Good job. Now let's look at less than. What does less than mean? Less than means not as much or not more. Good job. So when we generate our set of objects here, okay, we have to make sure that there are not more lightning bolts, because that's what we're going to use, than rockets, okay? So let's make that less. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Now, do we have less than the rockets? Yes, we do. Good job. So we can say that the lightning bolts are less than the rockets. Can you say that with me? The lightning bolts are less than the rockets. Good. Okay. Let's do one more together. All right, it says generate a set of objects that is equal to the set of pizzas. Okay, so we know equal to means the what? The same. So how many pizzas do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many pizzas do we have? 12. And we know that equal means the what? The same. Good job. So how many hearts do I need to put here when I generate my set or make my set? If I want to make the pizzas equal to my hearts, how many hearts do I need to get if I want the same? I need 12. Okay, so let's count and make sure we have that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now we can say the pizzas are equal to the hearts, because why? Because they have the same amount. Good job. Awesome. And if you notice, the numbers are the same as well. Okay, so remember, less than means not as much or not more. Okay, greater than means more. Good. And equal to means what? The same. Okay, let's say that one more time. Less than means not more or not as much. Greater than means more. And equal to means the same. Good job. All right, so let's go over our cub again. So the students will know about comparative language. Students will understand that you must have at least 2 sets of objects to compare, which we did. And now you're going to be able to generate a set that represents a number that is more than, less than, or equal to a given set of objects. That's what we just practiced. Okay, now you're going to complete your assignment and do your best. If you picked up your materials packet, okay, you should have a document that you can use to generate sets of objects, but if not, if you don't have that document, go ahead and complete your assignment on Nearpod. Make sure you do your best, okay? And remember to use your comparative language, okay? All right, see you soon. Bye.